Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, so the mystery is this. Why is the turtle resetting when I get away from it? The mystery. Let's see if we can solve this today. How far can AI search for ability targets? Auto reset distance. Let's test this one to something very low. Okay. So if we go far away from it, so this one is doing something. Let's set it to like a infinite value and see what happens. Let's take the abilities off. Okay, also another good piece of information will be to know the distance at which this happens. Let's see what distance this is. It is right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six things. I haven't changed any settings related to VRAM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point. From where the turtle is able to react. Trying to figure out why my turtle is resetting. Might get some help from a friend, so I want to gather all the information I can. That's the point. From which exactly that point, from which the turtle is able to see the character. I tried everything. And I cannot figure out where it's getting this information from. We're gonna paste this one here, and that should give us the distance. We know that these boxes are 1 by 1, so it's 1 meter. Yep. Probably better ways to do this, but one way that comes to mind is just coming here. Ah, I see. The pivot point. It's gonna be in the center. All right. So we need to take 50 units of this measurement. Okay, no problem. Let's go and see. It's gonna just go both ways, minus 50 units. So let's see how much is this distance. Okay, I haven't seen those values anywhere in the options. $76, $7,700. Okay, 7,700 minus 50. $76 and 50. That's the measurement. Let me rename that. This is the measurement on which the AI gets targeted. And this happens exactly here. Even, except, polyedit. Let's delete that poop and this poop, and this is exactly the length that we got to deal with. Pretty much. Okay. Okay. Oh no, I'm missing 100 units. It ends right here. It's $7,750. this one, we can push it 100 units. And that's the there you go. Let's test and see what we got going on. So, okay, as soon as we get closer to it, poof, it activates. Okay, I think I got the measurement right. Where is this set? That's a good question. It comes exactly right there. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe might be 8,000. Right there. It is somewhere in the middle of this thing. One, 2, 3, somewhere there. Eight thousand. Oh, that's cool. We can do that by face. Oh, they added this new feature. Oh wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. We can do UV map by face. And to verify this thing, we can also edit pivot and snap it without snapping here. There you go. We can verify if it's actually the right size from where this thing is spawning by maybe making a copy, copying the location, pasting the location, and I believe I got it here, right there. Tiny little bit more. Close enough. So we know it's roughly 8,000. 8,000 and a little bit more. Okay. Like here? Yeah, that's it. That's the distance. Now, where is this coming from? That's the biggest mystery right here. adds the mystery. I'll be right back. Let's see what happens. Да, треба почекати трохи і потім подивитися. Може змилюється і подивитися. Ну, перше подивитися, скажи, рано йде. Якщо там є, то рано йде. Так, так, може бути правда. Alright, let's see. What could be happening here? I know that we are using the turtle here. Okay. What if I just use this one? That's something new that I haven't checked. Maybe that has something to do. Same thing. Let's check this again. Hey. This one has no change. Oi. That value has no change. This has nothing to do. I believe this has also nothing to do. hey Storm. So I figured out what the issue is. I mean, why is the boss behaving so strange and getting bugged out? So this is the thing. Here I measured the distance of the boss activation, and here when I get to 8050 units it starts chasing me. Everything's fine, but when I get out of it, it goes back to 0. And if I get back to it, it works out again, but this is what it's resetting the boss. And I really have no clue where to change that value. That's awesome, Fang. Let me show you what I tried to change, because usually you will probably think that it's on the BP boss controller, AI perception, sight radius, and lose sight radius. And if we put this to 0, this is super crazy, dude. I tried so many things. We put this to 0, right? And you will say, well, it's not gonna see me anymore, right? It's not gonna chase me at all. I haven't. It's back to its original state, but I did try a lot of things in the behavior tree. So you will say I should probably just walk in here, no problem, and it gets activated again. So I don't know where the okay. The behavior tree, it really doesn't have much. It goes into combat, try to activate a ability, and there's not much here related to AI perception. Has ability. Controller ref, AI controller. I don't see anything overriding directly, but the thing here is that my parent Blackboard is the the RPG engine Blackboard. And this has some stimulus sensed and some other stuff. If I put it back to just be all right. This is itself, so let's just go like this. I think it's probably not gonna work. This is just the velocity of the turtle. We were playing a little bit with the animation blueprint. So let's see what happens. It should start chasing. Yeah. So there's no actual need for the other thing. Is receiving damage? Yeah. It's receiving damage and everything's working fine. It's just this thing that oh, this is a 8,050, and I have no clue. That's what I'm like, totally out of clue. And I also have all the steps. All the steps I did for this integration, so we can also look into that to see if we can find any stuff that happened. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Yes. The because I don't want it to reset. I was trying to play with this. At least until I figure out, but I don't want the player to be able to escape from I think 15,000. It's the range of the platform, and I also tried playing with that to like infinity, and I think I really want to figure out where this 8,000 comes from. Yeah, somebody in the chat is saying to use breakpoints, but we don't know where the issue is, in what blueprint the thing is. And that's the thing. Could it be related to the animation blueprint? Impossible, right? They have wander distance, but we are on stationary mode. Let me think, what could we print? I'm using the BP Boss controller. Get sense class for stimulus. Stimulus is this AI perception. It sets equals. This thing. Condition. Why is there a condition for this? That's a good idea. I don't know why there's a condition there. It might be breaking. Let's call it a site. Yeah, if it is not site, it's gonna be hearing. I wish we could get the amount that we are dealing with. The character stops chasing after a distance. That's the problem. We are trying to figure out where is that setup. Alright, so it's not printing anything. I'm gonna get rid of this print string so we have a clean log to deal to be able to check. Oh, hey, dude, that's a great one. That's a great one. Oh my god. Dude, I haven't thought of it. Dude. I think that's it. Let me double check. Also, the site is not printing, but let's change that. I think you are into something. Look at where it ends. That, oh my god, dude, that's crazy. And I was playing with the invoker. I was like putting it in, putting it out, but never thought about the radius tile removal, tile generator. It needs to be 15,000. Oh yeah, there you go. Can we make it 10? Oh my god, dude, that makes so much sense. Yeah, let's now we can test the rest. I realized a lot of things during this process. Now the question is who is giving the distance to the thing, because it's set to 0 now. That's the funniest thing. The site. So that's the thing. Perfect. That's perfect. That's exactly what I want. But the question is, why? Where can we set that distance? That's the yeah. For example, here it doesn't need a parent. Oh my god! Like, this is awesome. I was just making such a mess. This is not printing. Get sense stimulus. Behavior, boss behavior. Where is the thing? Perception. It's set to 0. You see how like crazy this is? This is 0. It's I I don't remember the values of this stuff. I think it was 4505. I can always check. But how do I set this in the parent on the turtle? But I cannot change those values from here. There's no like site or anything I can change. I asked Weber about it and he told me to modify it directly on the controller tray. That's the question. Wow, this is so laggy. No, it starts stationary. Uh-huh. I played with that one, and I don't think it's Wonder. Sight loose. Oh, didn't want to paste. I haven't set it up like that. I would like to. Manual. Next phase trigger manual. Oh! After spawn. Wait. Oh, okay. I haven't thought about that. Ah. My site, I changed it to let's try 0 first. Just wanna see if that gets there. Oh my god, I looked at that. It was not on site. We haven't figured out anything yet. Take it easy. Oh, dude, it's working. Oh my god. Oh, that was the thing. Oh my god. Dude, this is awesome. Oh my god, I was going crazy, dude. I was like, I don't know where this is coming from. At least it's not doing it. What 0 you said? Let me close this thing, this other project. Let's check that one. $15,000. Let's see what we got. Okay, wait, it's not. Oh yeah, we today I went with Sherry. Like we went through the whole animation blueprint. We copied the whole thing, and then we tried to get it as good as possible. It's moving pretty nicely. I'm super happy with that. Now I just wanna figure out why is it resetting. It's not actually triggering now that it's on site. Yeah, it's not triggering at all. Also, let's put things in context. This turtle is not a child of the boss behavior. Of the boss. Yeah, this is a child of the ranged medium. On the turtle. ACAI, yeah. There's not much I can change. I think let me see one thing. What if we come here? Class AI class. How do you call it? Controller. Controller. Right here. Here. what if we get this logic in there and test it that way? Because I want the turtle to drop items and I wanted to give experience. Should we make a copy and try, or what if we do a super quick test and change the controller here very quickly just to test the boss AI? That's not a good screenshot. Let me get some space in here so we can read what's in here. Arranged. Okay, so yeah, it's set to the boss AI, but it's inherited from this parent. I believe there's some. I know there's something in. Yeah, it's causing some weird stuff. Absolutely. So let's just try the boss AI as the parent, just to double check. And this is parent of another master that also might be conflicting. Yeah, that's probably not the way to do this integration. Yep. Appreciate it, Feng. Yeah, I think this is not that's not the way to do this implementation for sure. Let me double check, because I believe it was ranged. Okay, this is good. We're not gonna touch that. On the turtle, we change it to. On the turtle, we change it on the boss to on site after spawn. Or take damage is also good. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. I think we should probably leave it at take damage. I think that's a good idea. Yep. It's not stopping, yeah. What do we set the site to? Okay, yeah. Let's just test. I want to test it with the abilities. I think there's something something that was messing it up. Oh yeah, we cannot change the sight. It's set to this distance, which is not bad, to be honest. As long as he comes to me in the edge of the map. I think he's coming, yeah. Okay. Alright, let's test the abilities. And I think that this works, yeah. Yeah, let's not touch that thing. Yeah, I think it's not a problem. So for the animation blueprint, I basically like copied the whole thing, like as the boss AI tool AI kit has it, and this is my old logic. Just kept it like there, and on the animation blueprint, we are using this state. These are my old ones, and I think we could probably get rid of that. This is kind of like my old one. Idle, rotate. Oh, it's working better now. But let's test it with the abilities, just to make sure that it's not bugging out. I really want to just get rid of that bug where the thing stops attacking and it's like it's game breaking. You need to kind of like reset the thing. Where is it? Face 1 has no abilities. Oh, it has no abilities. What the fuck? Oh, I changed the range. No. Let's cheat. I know. What's happening here? Let's put it back to 0. That's the one with abilities. The ability. How far they? 15. Oh, that's a good range. That's a good range for the abilities. Why they're not triggering? Holy crap. Oh my god, now we have... I thought we had the abilities set up. No, it was like that before. Yeah, and it was not triggering the abilities. I know. It's because we changed the behavior tree stuff. Oh, what? Shoot the fire. Come on, shoot the fire. It's like wake up. Okay. The impulse, it's again freaking out. The ability is not lasting as much as it needs to. Sometimes it wants to rotate, sometimes it doesn't want to. I have it turned off, the damaged. The only problem is the I need to blend the poses. I think this is something I wanted to ask you. It's pretty much what we did with the jetpack on the animation blueprint. First, let's just double check. I do need that. I don't have a turn in place animation, it's just a walking animation. Yeah, I don't really have too many animations for this turtle. Let me... Yeah, let me just show you something super quick. I forgot what it was. Wait, crap, I forgot. The ability, time, cooldown, duration, cooldown. Okay, cooldown, time. Let's give it 10 seconds so the ring can actually get out of the. Just to make sure that we are dealing with the right duration of the ability, and then we can do a blend by pose or by bull, and see if we can only use the head for those bones, not the legs or anything, but like the head only. Okay, poof. It disappears when it hits the character. Okay. Well, I kind of wanna. I need to see if it actually is going to. Shoot the fire again? And it's not walking towards me, that's the thing. Fuck. It is, but if I get too far away, it freaks out. It's such a mess. Let me show you that. Let's just make sure that targeting minimum. Dude. Okay. I think that's the problem. Yeah, I was looking at the state trees this morning and I was like, oh dude, it will take. Yeah, I was like, dude, that's gonna take me too much time to figure out. Why is it not shooting the fire now? That no, only the player, and it doesn't hit the turtle. It spawns outside. Minimal distance. Minimum. Max distance, minimum. Yeah, sorry. That was confusing me for sure. I was like, oh dude, like I need to show you the tank, the oil tank logic that I got going on. Such a cool thing. Minimal 1000, max. Yeah, 1000 is like is the range of the ring itself. It spawns from 1000 outside of the turtle. So if it spawns inside the turtle, I mean we can make it smaller, but come on, turtle, shoot it. Okay, let's see if it actually. Oof, okay. I wanna see if it. Please don't reset, don't reset. Ah, it's not walking towards me. Fuck. Why is it resetting? It keeps looking at me, but it doesn't wanna move. Let's push that nav mesh bigger. That's yeah, let's make sure. $20,000? Let's go crazy with this. I don't even know if this is really going to, because the side radius doesn't work. This is, I don't know. So the there's something else on the fire. This is the fire ring and the fire flame, the flamethrower. It's the flamethrower. It's let's see the range targeting. It happens from minimal distance 0 up to 1500, so you cannot get too close to the boss until you actually get the armor off. Oh crap, wait, did I is it cause streaming on Discord that is getting these things stuck or what? Wow, been getting like very. Oh, I think I didn't turn off the fans today. Oh my god, I need to get like an automatic thing for my fans to adjust to the heat. I think my processor is overheating, and that's why my computer is like, oh. Yeah, for some reason I yeah, I need to get the where is it? Crosshair app for this, and I think it's gonna do it. Is it good now? Okay, it responded. Okay, that was catchy. We were looking at. Okay, range is good. Everything's good. Oh, nav mesh. I forgot the nav mesh. Let's push the nav mesh bigger. This UFC turtle. Cause there's no nav mesh in there. We need to make. Oh crap. Up. It kind of responded. It stopped doing the animation. I believe. Should we make a fake, transparent, non-collision thing for the? I want to see. Why is it not coming after me? It's so strange. What? Oh, these errors. No. Remember, this is the after update errors. What broke the yeah. This project. It would be so cool to like be able to dash into the fire and not get damaged. Oh my god, why dude, like it was working very. Of the pillar, fly up. Okay. Is the abilities who are messing the thing up? Oh, it's not moving. Oh. Come on, jetpack, get some power. On both eyes. Joking. Are you ready for a rabbit hole? Look at this. Yes, let me show you. It's not that crazy. Ring of fire. Fire ring. If I can spell it, fire ring. There is a parent which is called BP Boss Ability Base, and the ability goes like this. Alright, so yes, on component begin overlap, the sphere that is tracing that goes, let's say, with the fire. This logic is for destroying the covers. I need to show you that logic. the sphere trace comes. Hey, how's it going? The sphere might be stopping the logic. Okay, let's debug this a little bit and show you how this works. It looks a little messy. So what we're gonna do is go to debug mode and show you the sphere. Debug mode. No, wait. Debug mode. And this is what happens with the sphere. The sphere, I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it, but I just made it grow on scale. And this is how it looks. Do that. Yes, you're right. 0, 1. No, 1 has no ability. 0. Let's actually call it no ability. And this one, let's call it has ability, just so it's easier to abilities, just to be able to get it right. So has abilities, we copy, we paste. Let's push it. It goes like that. It does not push the character for some reason sometimes. It's very hard to tell. It messes the rotation. It pushes again. Poof. The turtle does not like to move during the ability. Stops the animation. It goes back. It throws the thing. Boom. I think it's never stopped. YouTube, I think, is a good place to learn. Look for Unreal Sensei. It's a good way to start. After some distance, for some reason, he just doesn't like to do it anymore. I know that we are inside the range. It's super weird how he likes to reset. And the fire ability does not. Yep, this is exactly what was happening. It just is bugged out, and it does follow me. Nope, doesn't even follow me. Yeah, I believe it might have to do with. Let's go to the donut. Should I simplify this thing as much as possible? What do you mean by ignore the boss character? Oh, maybe it's this overlap. and to BPI the interface destructible environment, which we are using for the oil tank, so the turtle does not have that. Trace donut. The flames come from cylinder 1 and 2, and they might have some kind of collision. We don't actually, I think we don't need any collisions here. Generate and generate overlap off also, right? Awesome. Yeah, Unreal Sensei is very good. Definitely give him a look. There's UNF games. There's multiple good Gorka tutorials to start, like with very simple small tutorials. There's a lot of cool stuff you can check. Do you wanna also check the animation? Yeah, you're totally right. Just wanna see. I think there's something strange in the anim blueprint for sure. I think there's something that is not blending the attack animation with the locomotion, and also I'm using like multiple animations that are the same, and that's probably has some issues there. You see, I want him to rotate during the attack. Poof, and it's not launching character anymore. What's launching the character is this the sphere that grows. It's called overlap sphere, and this overlap sphere, when it does hit the character, is gonna turn off the flames and set the damage and do once the launch character. These do once, I don't think it's needed at all, to be honest. I don't really think we need that at all. It doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, but again, the thing is only going to hit the character once and disappear after. The ability disappears after it's done, so it doesn't really make sense. I believe we can start cleaning this up a little. That one doesn't make sense. I have two spheres, which is kind of crazy because I thought the launch character issue was because I thought we needed another sphere. Smaller sphere. This is the overlap sphere. This smaller sphere, it makes no sense. Get forward vector from the smaller sphere. Oh, I think I did a smaller sphere just to get the fire and the push to kind of like match a little bit. The smaller sphere is a little bit, you see, a little bit tinier than the fire. So it feels like the fire is pushing you. Doesn't really make sense. we didn't change anything, right? Sometimes he wants to push me, sometimes doesn't. I don't really understand why. It freezes and goes back. Poof. Doesn't want to push me now. So strange. It really has to do with the rotation. I feel like this takes forever. The crouching is like. Oh, the back did not work. Another time, another time. Oh, it worked now. Dude, I have no clue why it likes to push it sometimes. We need that for sure. That's what I did. Yeah, I think I applied the fish logic here. Let me see. I think, where is it? Here, a launch character, like, yeah. The no, I know it's not the fish logic, but I copied the fish logic. Like, let me show you. So if we go to the character, I copied the fish logic. See, hit by fish, launch character. And we have a boolean for is invincible or is in cover. I will show you that logic once we get this fixed. This we can also it comes from the BP main component, receive radial damage. BP main component, receive damage common. Is invincible false. Oh no, is invincible, sorry, is invincible comes from the cover box. We have a little cover box right here. And these little boxes here, it means you are in cover, which we should name it is in cover, but Sisa said it's invincible because we might use this somewhere else, and then we just made it very specific to this, so it's in cover is a better. Yes, because it's not it's deactivated. Let me show you this logic. if we are out of cover, then launch the character. If we are in cover, do nothing. Let's actually, well, I need to change that name because it's invincible. It's a little funny. It's like a cheat code. But dude, like this is, dude, it's so nice. Like with the jetpack and stuff, it's really fun. Like this is gonna be such a nice boss. So it comes here, we hide. We come out. It should launch me. Oof. And then look at this, how cool. If we go back to it, right? These things have health. So if it gets hit twice, look at this. It explodes. It should have launched me. And here we can only hide once. That logic is not 100%. It has a little problem. It should launch me as well. But it didn't launch me because of launching issues. But no. It's totally, dude, absolutely animation blueprint, 100%. Cause I'm using the same animations in the locomotion and the ability. It's bugged already. It should be rotating. Oh, like not attacking? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't, dude, it loses me. Yeah, it's not, I don't think it's gonna do it anymore. It's not shooting the fire, the flamethrower. Yeah. No. The ability bug, the reset on the logic of it. Yes, I believe it has to do with. Yeah. I feel like when we get out of the nav mesh, it breaks the thing. I think that's the thing. Let's turn off the animation blueprint to custom mode so we don't lose the settings. I believe it's nav mesh. The drone has like a different nav mesh. It's called like a nav agent thing, or like a, you know, like a kind of like for aerial, like things that fly, you know. Can we do something like that for this turtle? Because I think that will probably. Oh, what the fuck! Oh, it doesn't want to play the animation. The notify. It goes through the. Oh, it's an added notify. There you go. There you go. That gets bugged out. Dude, I think we're close. Or here, book. It just thinks a little bit longer. Anim notify. Okay, let me show you how this goes. Oh, dude, that's the. Oh my god! I knew that it was related to the animation, but it makes a lot of sense now. Like, I think this is the problem. So BP flamethrower, it uses a anim montage that is the walking animation in montage form, and it has a little notify called damage during where the thing is gonna do the damage. And then we have another one for the ring, for the fire ring, that does this thing. Visuals, roar, the roar turtle, and this one goes all the way through. And the I don't know. And the roar animation, I believe we are not using actually, huh? Oh no, now I'm wrong again. Animation blueprint. We have get. Oh, no, sloth. Oh, sorry. Sorry. We have a lot of sloths here in Costa Rica. What does this sloth, default sloth, does? Oh really? But what? Why is it called like that? I think I played. Sorry. Oh, dude, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, we are finally taking, bringing this turtle. And VFX and stuff, like, we can really make this cool, like, dude, that's... Oh my god, dude. Okay, no, we need to test this, dude, that's so cool. Dude, this is seriously coming to life. I spent like an hour this morning, like, looking at the animation state trees, and I looked at a couple tutorials, and I'm like, it looks very cool. I would love to do the alien isolation logic for some crazy creature that is roaming around, but definitely, I mean, I want to use these things that I got here, right? Come on. Fire. You can do it, turtle. Shoot the fire. Okay. Nav. Nav mesh. First of all, I think that you are right, but I just wanna make sure that this is not a problem anymore. Let's make it 15,000. I don't know, tile removal radius. Not sure what that is. Outside of a component owner. Okay, let's make it very big. Just make sure that that's not the case. Just want to rule that out. Okay, now we have a big one. And what is this? Is there some collision in there? Like, where is the, what the hell is this? Okay. I don't know what I was modeling, or what the hell is that. You said go back to the animation montage. Notify. Are you gonna use the boss AI toolkit on your game? Oh, we're getting pushed twice. Oh, we do need that. We did need that do once. I believe. Yep, that sphere is going crazy. That do once was working. Come on, turtle. Come on, turtle. You know I'm still here. Come on, respond to it. Oh no. And my sky has a line. I don't know why. And health, or just the mm-hmm. Let's run away from the boss on without jetpacking, without leaving the ground. Yeah, let's just run away and see. Okay, run. Okay. I think he did stop chasing us after a distance. I believe it's a distance problem. Yeah, you see? Yeah, it's a distance. Purely distance. I think I was inside the... Oh. Haven't tried that one. Can we do like a pawn sensing, like your typical pawn sensing? That's how I got the drones to work. Like the whole activation thing was madness. I was like, dude, just pawn sensing, and it worked. I was like, what? Can we just do like your typical kind of like pawn sensing inside of it, like, or do you think it will mess up some other stuff? No, it absolutely. Yeah, it does wonder. Mm. I was testing with wander around for at with 8,000 in value. So, ooh, it's like, oh, you walked into my lair. Oh, it goes to one. It goes back to Wonder, and it stays in Wonder. No. That's so cool. Just wandering. Yeah, just walking around, ignoring my bullets. He just gave me the back. He was like, eh, uh, mm, eh, ability block dodge stunned. Oh, in combat. Oh. And if we keep it always on, what's going to happen? It's walking. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. No, he's looking at me. Look at this. Yeah, he's pointing at me. Wonder he will be like rotating around. That's a very good sign. Come on, come on. Shoot the flames. No. He's, I think, just, well, the animation now is playing. Ah, cause we fixed the montage, yeah. Let's do the trigger thing. Is in combat. Is there a way to get rid of that not notify? Some Niagara stuff I was playing with. Yeah. So you said like a collision. Let's see what's happening with the thing. Okay. Okay. He's wandering around. Okay, he picks it up. Wait. Wait, has ability. Oh, what the hell is working now? Why? Has ability. Now it's bugging. There you go. Now we bugged it. It's moving too. It's out of combat. Oh, okay. I think there's a we can force this turtle to just go into combat. We can force it here. Boop. Yep. It's out of combat. Never. It's always going to be in combat. I guess that's one way to force him. Just to stay in combat. Oh my god, okay. Oh, let's see. Oh. Fail. Is in combat is set. False. Does it have to do with the check block dodge? Okay. 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 There is something that is bugging this thing out. And I think it's if we get far away from it. There you go. Fail. Value fail. Is in combat failed. Yep. That's what's bugging the thing out. How do I know what's happening here? Blackboard in combat is set. A node name is in combat. How do we set this? Aborts both. Only if Blackboard key. Lower priority. Nodes aborted by name. Triability. Triability. Huh, okay. That's a very cool turtle. It is on the behavior tree. It is here. I don't know where. Set focus. Character movement. This is the thing. What if I bypass this thing and be like, let's try that. Try to activate ability. Yeah, we need to go through that. If not, it's gonna just move to for infinity. Yeah, don't freak out. Okay, when I'm in the air, it freaks out. That's the cause of it. It's related to nav mesh. When I'm in the air, it freaks out. Okay. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. There's an interval of the ability. Might that be the problem? Could that be the problem? Minimal ability interval. Time before AI can try using an ability again. Maximum. Okay. Interrupted by heavy, light, thick interval 0. No, that's not related. The thing is here. The thing is definitely here. That's why. Okay, so navmesh had a lot to do. When we fly, it freaks out. But who is setting the in combat? Wait, selector is in combat failed. Blackboard is in combat is set, value false, fail. We need to set that thing back to true every time we land back. Right here, that's the thing. Is in combat Blackboard. Okay, behavior tree. So let's see if we can find that. Every time the turtle maybe here. Combat, get this in combat, set this in combat. Ooh, is this the one we need? Set this in combat. Okay. Set this in combat to true. Every time that the turtle receives every time that the character lands on the platform, we gonna set that to true every time big box, big box. Yep, every time the character touches this box, overlap only, yes. Every time the character touches this box, we are gonna make it so not like that, like this. True, set to is in combat. Double check, did we plug this in right? Nope, it needs a branch. Needs a branch. In combat is true if this is met, this condition is met. True. There you go. That's a little better. Okay, so let's see if this works. do once. And reset. Every time that yeah. Cast to character only once. And reset once we hit the box again. That's a very big box. Doesn't need to be that high. Perfect. Let's see if this makes any sense. Why the logic does not want to follow. Now it wants to trigger. That is in combat does not trigger the behavior tree. No, we are not calling this in the right place. Okay. Okay, we bugged it. Now let's get back to it. It is this behavior tree, set behavior tree. This is the node I think we need. who defines that is in combat? Set combat state. 2 is in combat. So what if we communicate here with a event dispatcher right here, something like that. We're gonna reset is in combat. With a Boolean condition. This is what's gonna set it. We don't need a boolean. So here no, not like that. No, it's the other way around. No. Call is in call reset. We don't need that here. This call resetting combat. We need to get it here. Bind on bind event assign. here we need that logic. Oh, wait, yeah. No, it's the other way around. Call reset is in combat. Oh crap, I cannot remember how this was the other way around. Let me get a sweater. Storm? Okay, how are we gonna do this? Set combat state. Mm. Reset combat. Oh, it's like that. Let's see if this make any sense. Okay. Ah, maybe there's a better way. What if we just reset the behavior tree? phase and combat state. Is this what's turning the thing off? Thinking that there's a new phase? Doesn't want to work without that logic. Setting new phase. Okay. Did that check fix the thing? Oh my god, don't tell me that that's it. Let's go a little bit farther away, farther away. Oh, it went into red. Up. Yeah, that distance I think was too much. That distance was too much. Auto reset, no, we don't want that. Let's push this to up. That's too much. And it says fail. Yeah, if you get very far away from it. Yeah, it has nothing to do with being on the air. It has all to do with the distance. Yeah, I need to learn how to keep him in combat. Fuck, that's annoying. Yeah. It is the side distances. We still haven't figured it out. I think that's the thing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Let's see if we can figure this out tomorrow.